Hi, welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this stunning 2015 Renault Clio R.S. Now for this kind of value, it is an awesome vehicle and I'm going to walk you around and show you the condition and just some of the features as well. Starting off the front, the car does present in really good condition for its age. There are very minimal stone chips on the front end, maybe one or two which we've touched up, but the whole front end does present really well for its age. That beautiful black grille there does make that Renault badging in the middle really stand out, and there is that RS badging just down there as well, just to remind you about the sports pack. That split front grille there once again just adds a really sporty look to that front end. You have got LEDs down here, and those really big headlights do give you really good visibility. Those DRLs that run through the headlight do look absolutely stunning. Indicator is built into the side there, and it is a very elegant design, and you have also got that X2 halogen engraving inside that headlight as well. The first alloy wheel does present really well, completely unmarked, and it is a beautiful design, as you can clearly tell. Plenty of tread left in those Goodyear tires as well. I've got the black side mirrors and the color matched door handles. Now with the keyless entry, you just press that button to lock and unlock the vehicle. And if we just take a look inside the driver's compartment quickly, you will notice, being the RS, you do get a lot of sporty looking trims. So you've got red seat belts, you've got the red stitching on all the seats, you've got red trims on the steering wheel and shifter, around the aircon vents, and even on the door. Now the sound system in this vehicle, being the RS model, is also a premium sound system, so bass reflex speakers all the way around the vehicle. And as you can see, very well looked after. You've even got the Renault Sport scuff plate on the side there. All the way along this vehicle, the paintwork does present in really good condition. Even though we are in the showroom, there's really nothing on this side that I can actually point out that really stands out. Rear door handle is just up here on the back window. Fuel filler cap is on the driver's side, so just flick it to open and close it just like that. When the car is locked, you won't be able to open that. The next alloy wheel, really good condition once again. Some very minor superficial marks, but really nothing too concerning once again. Making our way along the back, we have got those really nice red taillights there that do come right into the tailgate, and all the curves on the back end do make the car really stand out. Got the color matched rear parking sensors back there, and that black and grey diffuser with the twin exhaust back there as well. Popping the boot quickly, I will show you do get a nice deep boot in this vehicle, so plenty of space there, especially for a smaller vehicle. Now your inflation kit and jack are just here as well, and you have got those red outlined Renault Sport mats as well. You've also got a cargo shelf in the back just to keep everything in the boot nice and private. We'll keep making our way along the next side of the vehicle now. Once again, paintwork along this side does present really well. That next alloy wheel, once again, almost completely unmarked. One or two minor superficial marks from stone chips, but nothing really major stand out there. Nice curves all the way along this vehicle as well. It does give it a very aerodynamic shape, and does keep the car looking nice and sleek. That next alloy wheel, once again, if I'm being super picky, there is one very minor mark, but once again, nothing really too concerning. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Okay, look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 4-cylinder 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox, which is going to give it a really smooth drive. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars. Power output from this engine is an impressive 147 kilowatts with a torque rating of 240 newton meters. The fuel tank holds 45 litres of petrol, and it does run on 95 fuel. Fuel consumption is a very impressive 6.3 litres per 100, giving you an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 714 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Renault now, on the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. Now the front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is a toggle for your power mirrors. If you bring it all the way down to the bottom, you can actually fold the mirrors in. Now, as I mentioned, on the outside, you get those really nice red covers for the vents, and you can just fold them closed nice and easy. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here, we have got the illumination brightness control for your cluster and your headlight adjusters to change the angle of your headlights. On the right hand stalk, we've got all our washer and wiper controls, and on the left hand side here, your indicators and headlights. Now headlights are automatic, so if you just leave it in auto, the car will decide for itself. Behind the steering wheel, really nice large paddle shifters here if you did want to switch through your gears manually. It is a very sporty look, even the way the cluster is designed. It is all very sporty interior all the way around. On the bottom right of the steering wheel behind it is all your audio controls for the radio. So your scroll button, your source button, sorry, is behind this. Your scroll for your channels, and next for the audio is behind the control. Source is on top. Your volume controls on the left and right, and your hang up and reject button is on top as well. And then your mode select is just underneath. On the steering wheel itself, very sporty design once again. Red stitching all the way through the leather wrap steering wheel. You've got your cruise control options on the right hand side here, and your voice activation, and then your cruise speed setting on the left hand side. You've got that nice RS badging down the bottom as well. Moving into the middle screen now, I'm just going to put it in reverse quickly and show you. You do get a nice reverse camera there with the parking sensors behind it, and if you did press the plus button, you can change various settings about the reverse camera. In terms of your media, you have got AM and FM radio, you've got Bluetooth, and we'll just show you quickly. You've got your AM, FM radio, Bluetooth, AUX, and USB inputs. Just down here, you've got your climate control for the air conditioning, and those aircon vents, which when they're covered, they do look really nice and tidy. Under that again is the insert for your key. So to start the car, your key does look like a card. You have got two keys. Just slide it in there and press the start button. Now once the car is running, even if you remove the key, the engine will stay on. Below that again, you've got a 12-volt socket, your AUX, USB, and SD card inputs, and a bit of storage if you wanted to keep your phone while it's plugged in. The shifter itself, once again, really nice red surroundings for the shifter. If you bring it down into drive and put it to the bumper to the left, you can switch through your gears manually using the shifter or your paddle shifters. Behind that again is the RS drive if you wanted to put the car into sports mode. Tightens up the steering wheel, stiffens up the suspension a little bit, and adds a little bit of extra torque. Just next to that is your cruise control and speed limiter controls. Bit of storage there, two small cup holders, and that hard handbrake. There is also another small cup holder behind there. If we quickly pan around the interior, you will notice it is in really good condition, so very well looked after. Got the Renault Sport badging on the passenger side there, and yeah, all the way through the interior. The leather seats and roof lining do present really well. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Renault Clio. As you can see, in this kind of condition, the vehicle does present really well for its age, and it is awesome value as well, so please do not miss the opportunity. A couple of things I would highly recommend is please take advantage of the glass coat, because that is going to give you a lifetime warranty on this beautiful paintwork, and it will protect it against a variety of environmental damages such as bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and more. The other thing I would recommend is the Premium Mechanical Protection Plan, because that will give you an additional 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle, and up to 10 years of Platinum Roadside Assist with up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock of cover as well. It is an additional cost. However, if you are using our in-house finance, we would love to talk to you about your finance options. Julie or Mario can tailor a package to suit your needs, which will work everything into your payments as well. Now, if you have any questions, the number is 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.